Hey there friends, let's take a look at the November monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. I love the month of November. It's all about being thankful and coming together with friends and family. And this monthly kit is going to help you to document this special month. And right away, I really love those fall colors that I see mixed in with some of that lighter green, that kind of mossy green and the minty green, as well as pink and red. So you're kind of transitioning into the holidays with that kit, and I love that. So it's the happiest season of all. That makes that song just go straight to my head. But you also have Thanksgiving, you have homemade gathered together, but then you also have twinkle. So for some of you who are kind of prepping for Christmas at the same time, this is the perfect kit to document that kind of in between. So these are the die cuts, lots of labels. This is great for a title, little areas to put dates, which you'll see some exciting things coming from us this month for dates. So those are the die cuts. Let's take a look at the tags. We have 3 4x6. So this one is happiness and cheer with white and red. We have a really beautiful stripe. Love that one. And then 1 through 10 in gray. So very usable for all the things. Then we have the 3x4s. So, and you'll notice that these will coordinate with your Document December kit. Deck the halls. We have the Christmas tree with a label underneath. Holiday playlist. Perfect. Currently watching. Wonder, joy, love, hope, and peace. I love that. So pretty with that tone-on-tone green. Striped green. Pink and red. On a scale of, that's a good one because I have a toddler in the house, so I'm probably going to use this card for sure. And I know that the scale will be more towards the naughty. Merry in different colors. Rest and relax. This is a good one because I love comfy pants. That's a definite for the winter time. A little note just for you. This would be a great one for a card or a lunchbox note. I love these colors. This is just perfection for me, and I would create an entire spread around that card. I love that tone-on-tone orange. Thanksgiving details. This is a good one for filling in all of those details about, you know, what you made, who was there, where you went. It's great. Green with a star. Another nice kind of masculine striped color block to do this week because we all have a lot to do on our list. And then this was the best in navy and white. Let's take a look at the add-ons that coordinate with the kit this month. We have 2 different journaling card sets, and each one comes with 8 3x4 journaling cards. These are the heart grid journaling tags and the star grid journaling tags. So these are great for adding extra journaling. You could put a phrase stamp here. You could put a date up here. Just gives you a lot more room for journaling. You could also just put a photo here with kind of a title stamp or something there. Just kind of lots of possibilities for both of these journaling tag sets. We also have the November labels that coordinate with the November kit in those beautiful colors, and they're nice and wide, 4 inches wide, and the entire sheet is 6 inches high. We have 2 different die cuts this month. I'm really excited about these. These are the 2023 month die cuts. So take a look at these. So if you're getting ready to plan how you're going to document 2023, these can definitely help you. So you have months in different fonts. You have this kind of blocky one here. So January through December. Then let me put these aside so you can see the months first. Then you have this really pretty like handwritten font. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Love that one. Let me move these down slightly. And then you also have the year, and you have that in black and white. And I love the idea of like layering that so it looks like a shadow. So you have that in large and small. So lots of different die cuts here to help you get your 2023 album organized with your months and your year die cuts. We also have another die cut set. These are the ledgers, labels, and tabs die cuts. So if you love these as much as I do, lots of labels in different sizes and shapes, little tabs, there's the little labels. You have these tabs with the circles, you have these with the cut ends, circles, these squares, which I really love. These are a really cool kind of tab. There are so many different labels and tabs. Look at these. These are like little mini file folders. Aren't those so cute? And so this die cut pack is full of these really fun labels, ledgers, and tabs in all different colors that will coordinate perfectly with your kit and a lot of our other products too. We have 3 different sticker sets this month. First up, we have the white and navy Jane Towel alphabet stickers. So they have a white background with a navy alpha in that classic tile. Love that, especially with all of the periods and your colons and your apostrophes. It's great to have those. We also have the frame stickers. So this is a really fun set because you have the outer frame, then you have lots of little things. You have like these photo corners, you have shapes, you have sentiment labels, you know, stars. There's all sorts of fun things on here in like green, navy, red, and teal. Isn't that such a fun set? I love it. And then we have the gold heart and star stickers. So you get 2 sheets of these heart and stars in different sizes. Last but not least, we have 3 stamp sets this month. First up, we have the Holiday Fun Stamp. So this is a great one to get you ready for documenting the holidays, especially November is the time that we're setting up our Document December album. So you have things like making spirits bright, sparkle and shine, last minute errands, love that. You have your on a scale of with the naughty and nice, love the season, out and about. I love the rest and relax there, so you can use that for anything. So that's a holiday fun stamp. We also have, so excited, 2 new dated stamps. So if you want to extend your dates all the way up to 2026, then you'll want to update your date stamp. So we have the mini dated and the dated stamp. So these are our tried and true date stamps, just updated with your year so that you have those moving forward. Thanks so much for joining me as I unbox the November 2022 monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. Be sure to check out my video notes to get more information about subscribing to the monthly kit. You will get discounts, freebies, and more, and especially bundled shipping. You don't want to miss that. So get all of the information at the link in my video notes, and stay tuned to see what our design team creates with these amazing new products. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating, friends!